Come on kids, let's sing and play. Learn the letters every day. A to Z, let's clap along. Sing with us the ABC song. A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for dog with happy feet. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fin, that whirs along. G is for goat, chewing hay. H is for hat we wear each day. Come on kids, let's sing and play. Learn the letters every day. A to Z, let's clap along. Sing with us the ABC song. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jug that's filled just right. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging free. N is for nest in a leafy tree. O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for penguin, dressed in white. Come on kids, let's sing and play. Learn now the letters every day. A to Z, let's clap along. Sing with us the ABC song. Q is for queen with a crown so grand. R is for rabbit, hopping on land. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, zooming in sight. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin, we love to play. W is for whale in the deep blue sea. X is for xylophone with a melody. Y is for yo-yo going up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes of brown. Now we know our ABC, letters for you and letters for me. From A to Z we had some fun, let's sing again when the day is done.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, D, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,